In a world where imagination once lived only in our minds, a new technology is turning ideas into reality. It begins with a simple design on a computer screen. Lines, curves, and shapes. Nothing more than digital thoughts. But with the power of 3D printing, those thoughts don't stay virtual for long. A machine starts moving, slowly, precisely, laying down material layer by layer. It doesn't rush. It doesn't make mistakes. It builds. Minutes pass, then hours. And right before your eyes, something extraordinary appears. An object that didn't exist before. This is the magic of 3D printers. What once required factories, expensive tools, and mass production can now be done from a desk. Students are printing school projects. Designers are creating prototypes in hours instead of months. Entrepreneurs are building products without huge investments. But this is only the beginning. In the medical world, doctors are using 3D printing to create custom prosthetics, giving people a new chance at life. Engineers are printing complex machine parts with precision never seen before. And in some parts of the world, entire houses are being printed in just days, faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Even space agencies are exploring how astronauts can print tools in space, reducing the need to carry everything from Earth. Think about that. A future where you don't buy things, you print them. A future where creativity has no limits. A future where you have the power to create anything. 3D printing is not just a machine, it's a revolution. And it has already begun.